What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another controversial product. I did a review on something like this before, and of course it did become controversial, and this one will also become controversial because we are going to divert heat into the home or garage from a source that you already use anyway, which is your dryer. Now, keep in mind, I have an electrical dryer, okay? My dryer is electrical. I'm gonna repeat again for everyone out there. My dryer is electrical. I do not use a gas dryer. This product is from HG Power. Salute to HG Power for sending this out. You guys, this is not a small time company. I will post their website in the description as well. I will post the link. They are giving out a 10% discount as well for this product, 10% off. I will stroll down their website so you can see all the cool stuff that they have on their website dealing with heating, dealing with air ducting and all that stuff. They specialize into a lot of that stuff right there. I checked out their website. I actually like a few products on there, so I might be getting a few things on there because I do have some products where I'm trying to divert heat to different directions or divert air to different directions and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and get into this. Now, this is basically something like the last one I reviewed. One thing I will recommend that you get is a diverter. So somebody did send a comment in saying, you know, well, they was concerned because, you know, when you put stuff in the dryer, of course, the clothes are moist. The diverter is used to divert the moisture. You can send that moisture outside, and then after a while, you can divert back to bring the heat back inside the house or in the garage. Me, I use this in my garage, but if I needed to, I will divert this in the house. Let's go ahead. So I actually like this. It's metal and very good quality. I actually like this one better than the other one that I have. The filters seems like is better quality. They give you, and there's more. Link will be in the description. All right, you get the instructions. Oh, this is nice quality. I like this. Wow, you guys, this is long. I want to say like 7 foot, maybe like 7 foot. This is pretty long and nice and flexible. This is good quality stuff. I love this company, man. HG Power. I'm about to start living on this website. As usual, you get your screws and anchors. All right. You know, you open and close. You have your screen right here. I love this thing. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even have it hooked up yet, but I could tell this is a better quality. It's definitely better that this is metal, just for the simple fact on durability. That's one of the main keys right here, all right? That and buy a diverter, okay? I will put a link in the description to a diverter. Once again, this is 10% off, you guys, 10% off for my audience. So that's all I can say with that. Let me go ahead and start heading to the garage and installing this bad boy. How did I have this? It was like this, right? I believe it was like that. If not, I'll flip it back. You guys, this thing is strong. Wow, I like that. All right, you guys. So all I'm going to do is just put it with the other one. I'm a substitute, you guys. I'm not going to put in a new way, even though I could put a new way to bring it in the house, to warm up the house. That would be pretty cool, so everybody can see that. But as for right now, I will figure it out when I get upstairs. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna put that in here. All right, now just stabilizing. I'll put my anchors up once I'm leveled and straight. But for this review, I'm just gonna put it up. But do make sure you use your anchors. This is just a good way for me because I don't need to go ahead and use a pencil. I can just I can just make my drill holes or drill a hole like that. That's a little bit, but bubble's still in the middle, you guys. I'm not sweating it. All right, so we put it in. So I'm going to put this back on right here, screw it up, and that's it. You guys, that is it. An easy way to bring heat into your garage or into your home. All right, you guys, so I have to send out an apology. I did install this wrong, okay? I'm so used to installing the vent on this side, so I had to install it on this side due to the fact on this part right here, this flap. All right, this flap right here is the most important part of this product and any product that's like this. So if you buy a vent kit like this, make sure that it has some type of emergency flap. Reason being is, I already explained it, but I'm gonna explain again. When your dust and lint come through here, it goes up, travels, and goes inside, right? And the dust collects in here, which starts on the bottom. So the dust starts on the bottom, and this is your vent to prevent dust from coming out. So you do have blockage here, and you have blockage here, and you have your air vent out here, but this filter is to catch dust. Something like the air filter in your car and stuff like that. All right. I know people probably like blah, blah, blah on this part, but this is the most important part because this part helps you prevent or helps you to prevent from fires. So dust and lint accumulates, it accumulates, it accumulates. Now this is if you don't do your maintenance. Accumulates, 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 right? And when the dust gets full, this part opens up like that. Well, with that being said, once this opens up, this is like an emergency flap to let you know, like, dude, you do not do your chores in your house. Clean this before it catch fire. That's what this is for. When this flaps up, that means it is full. All right. Just wanted y'all to know that, just in case. So yeah, safety first, you guys. That's the most important part right there. All right, this is the vent that comes with it. So I did hook that up. I had to because the one I had right there is too small for going up top. The one right here is for bottom underneath, for the underneath port. But this one has to go on the top. So yeah. All right. Anyways, so everything is in. All right, the filter is in, nice and secure. And that's it, you guys. I love the way this locks in. Very tight. All right, you guys, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.